Welcome to the SmartScan tutorial series. We'll focus on the data extraction feature in this video. Imagine you have two purchase orders. How can you extract crucial data for further usage? Let's start by looking at the SmartScan homepage. You can feed the software by either scanning or importing image files. Click the SmartCapture button. Here's a preview page where you can make quick image adjustments. Click Next to continue. A new SmartCapture window will pop up to continue processing your documents. By default, SmartCapture creates three variables ready for extraction: order number, order date, and total amount in this example. You can add more variables by clicking the plus sign, and you can also rename the identifiers to match your preferences. Click on one of the empty fields and the cursor will start blinking. This shows where the data will be entered. Next, find the corresponding data you want to capture. Click on it, and the value will automatically be assigned to the empty field you selected. Cropping works as well. Once all the information has passed visual inspection, click Confirm and Next Document. Repeat the same procedure for the other page so that SmartCapture knows where to extract data for each document type. This way, the established profile will be applied to other purchase orders. You have just trained SmartCapture to be your personal document extractor. Feel free to add more specimens for training purpose. Now test it out with other purchase orders. Voila! Your database will now automatically extract key data from other recognized purchase orders. The extraction process is now complete. You can now head to the designated folder to view your scanned files. The image or PDF file is your original scanned copy, and the CSV file contains all the extracted data. This data can be easily imported into your ERP, CRM, or any other business system. Whether it's several or dozens of pages, SmartScan is your secret weapon for automation.